Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we will be producing this block over here. We'll be producing this block over here. I hope you can hear me. So I'll be using my red pen as usual for faint line, red for faint line, and blue for thick line, for thick or yeah, thick line. So red for faint, blue for thick, and we are to produce this block here. Okay, some of you don't know how to start an isometric drawing, so this is what we'll do. In order to start this drawing, you're given to draw this diagram here. What you just need to do, you look for the middle of your space. You know, normally you're supposed to have your title block, your border line, then your title block here. So with that shape and with the space remaining, you are to draw this diagram, which I'll be doing now. So I just mark, my title block is around here. So I start from here. I give a distance from the title block a little bit. Then I start from here. And this thing, if you have a T-square, you can just use your T-square to make either a parallel line to this paper or just a horizontal line which is straight, or you can use your eye gauge as I'm doing it now. So I just draw my faint line, which is this. So in order to draw this, you have to pick a point. As I always say, you pick your point. Then isometric drawing is made between is the angles that make up an isometric drawing is between 90 and 30. Anyone that looks as if is lying down or inclined, it's made with 30-degree, and anyone that is that is vertical is made with 90-degree. Okay, so I will continue. So what do I need to do? I just come here. After picking my points, just use my protractor. Okay, make sure it's aligned because this is your foundation. If you don't get it, your diagram will not correspond. So I pick my 30 here, pick my 30 here. Okay, 30 here, 30 here. So what do I need to do? I join it. Remember, red is my faint line, so I can extend it to any length. Yeah, I can extend it to any length. So I've extended this, but what did they give us for this side? They said 5. So I come here. I'll be using this place as my scale rule. Come here, measure my 5. Okay, this is my 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? I come this other side and measure my 4, which was given here 4. So my 4. So after measuring my 4 here, what do I need to do now is to draw 90 degrees angle. So how do I do that? What I just need to do, I come here. This thing, I'm taking it with saying, you see, is aligning with my baseline. And we all know that this side of this set square is 90. So what do I need to do? I just place it on this line. The excess of this is for this one to glide on top. So I'm pressing this one downwards, making it firm. Then this one will be moving along it. You understand? So I put it here, extend my 90-degree to any, this is my faint line. Come here to the point I marked 5. I extend it to any length. Okay. I come here where I mark 4. Right? I extend it to any length. Okay, what do I need to do now? I need to get the measurement from here to here, which was given us 2. So I come here, measure one side, which is 2. So me measuring this, I don't need to come and be repeating 2. I can still say I want to measure here from here to here, which is 2. But instead of that, I just place this here and slide this to the point where I mark as 2. That means automatically here 2 is 2, as you can see, right? So what do I need to do next? I just turn it the opposite side. Come here, mark to the points which I've marked as 2 to this side. So that means here 2 is also 2. What do I do? Then I join. Okay? So joining this part and joining this part. Right? I've done that. So what do I need to do now is to create this part that went this way as 3. From here to here is 3. So I come here, put my instant for it to align with the baseline. Remember, every angle, all these lines like this are made with 30-degree, and all these vertical ones are made with 90. Just have that in your head, and later I will explain. Okay, so I come here, project this one to any length. This is my faint line. So what do I need to do? I've project here, which I've gotten as 3 for this side. So I'll be measuring it 3 centimeters. So what do I need to do? I come here, use my scale rule, measure 3. So I've measured here 3. So what do I need to do? I come here. Instead of measuring here 3 again, what do I need to do? I just use the same method I earlier did, which is slide this on it and put it here. So as automatically, this point is also 3, as you can see. So that's the logic behind it. So what next? I'm making the vertical side, which is 90. So I come here, just use my set square, the path that is 90. When I reach this point, I project upward. When I reach this point, I project upward. Okay? So what if, I'll ask now, if from here to here is 2, 2 minus the height from here to here is what? This is 7. So 7 minus 2, automatically from here to here should be around 5. If you minus 2 from 7, you will have 5. So what do? I come here, measure my 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At this point, so there's no need repeating the whole thing. Let me use a bigger one. There's no need repeating the whole thing. So I come here. It's still same thing, only that this one is bigger and it will reach this point. It's just for me to slide. So I've measured here as my 5, right? So I slide to this point, and that point I extend, and at this other point I extend. Okay, you can see that our faint line didn't reach that point. So I will try to extend the faint line there for it to touch the point, for them to intersect. So as they've intersect now, what do I do next? I come here. In order to join these two parts, you don't need any measurement again, because surely if you do this sliding way, you don't need to be measuring every point. So what do I need to do? I need to get this point that's here. So I will just be drawing a line first here. This is also faint line, so I'll come here. The purpose of me drawing this line is just for me to have another base where I can place my guide. You understand? I'll be calling this guide. So I placed it, you see, it's aligning with the line now, the faint line I drew. So what do? I come here, draw a 30-degree angle, come here. Just follow me as I'm doing it and you'll get me. Follow me and practice it, okay? So I've gotten it. So automatically we've gotten the shape we need. So now is to outline what we've done. So by outlining it now, so you'll be seeing the main part which you are supposed to see, which is this. Okay, let me use this smaller one, which is this, right? Remember, always use faint line to start. Do not thicken your work. It won't reach this point. Remember, it will stop here. That's the essence of this measurement, and that's the essence of you using your faint line first, so you won't make mistake. Because in drawing, in engine drawing, you are to avoid using of erasers, so as not to make much mistake or to dirty your work, because neatness is precise. You need neatness. Okay, so this is it. I'm joining all the part here to see. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, this is the diagram. We have proudly represented it. So now I will be showing you how to dimension, to put this thing here to make your work more neat and accurate. Use 1 centimeters, in the sense that, you know what they call dimensioning is these numbers I put here. You have to represent them to show the marker, or to show the person viewing it, what measurement you use in each part. So what do? From this place, I measure just 1 centimeters. Okay, then I can do it twice for it to be straight. Put it here, then I join. Okay, remember, it should be drawn with faint line. This is a mistake, a faint line. So faint line, I come here with the same 1 centimeters radius. I come here, draw, come here, draw, come here. Why I'm not using the measurement now? Because I'm good at using eye gauge. So my distance here, I just use the same distance with my eyes. I know the space, and it won't be too obvious, just for you to be faster, and that's it. So what do I need to do? Then I start projecting it out. Projecting, we've done here. Okay, then project this one down. Do this as I'm doing it. Just follow me and you'll get it. Okay, project. Let me shift this. Okay, then I will be projecting this one outside soon. And this. Okay, so me projecting them out now, we forgot to join this, to take in this, because you will see this part too. You understand? So now I will be drawing my arrowhead after doing this now. The arrowhead shows from where to where you're taking it. That's the essence of it in dimensioning. Okay, so my arrowhead, I put it here like this, to this point like this, here, where they both intersect, where this line and the ones you draw intersect. So this is it, this is it, this is it. Just showing the point. So that is it, how you dimension. So what do I do next? I come here, write my 7 centimeters. You put it this way, outer, not inside this block. You put it outer, you make it face outside, okay? Just have it in your head. Then 5, at this point you put it inside, 5 centimeters. At this point you put it inside, 5 centimeters. Just, will I say cram now, or just view this and stick it to your head, because this is how it is done. So this one now, you put it inside. What is here, which is 2 centimeters, you put it inside. What is here, 3 centimeters, you put it outside. Okay, what is here, from here to here, 5 centimeters, you put it outside. So I'll be writing it like this, 5 centimeters. Okay, what is here, 2 automatically, so 2 centimeters. So ladies and gentlemen, we've accomplished what we came here for. So I hope this helps you, and watch out for my next video. Thank you.